Kahit napagod si Sir Milagre sa kanyang mahabang biyahe at nalungkot siya sa nakitang kalagayan ng bayan. Nagawa pa rin niyang humuni ng tralalala. Naniniwala kasi siyang mas madaling maging masaya kaysa malungkot. Binuksan ng guro ang kanyang tampipi na mas mukhang bodega kaysa bag. Hinugot niya ang isang korteng bulaklak na basahan at nagsimulang maglinis. Binuksan din niya ang mga bintana para lumiwanag sa loob. Aba, may isang bantang tumatakbo sa kalsada at may daladalang bunot at walis tambo. Magandang hapon, bati ni Teacher Milagre. Mabuti naman at meron palang gising dito. Anong pangalan mo, Hijo? Ador Mateo Dacanay Jr. Ma'am, sagot ni Teo. Nakatira po ako sa lumang bahay na yon. Pinapunta
Yel, what did you understand from what you read?
Nothing.
Nothing? Just a guess. Okay, put the book down, love.
Nah,
Okay, just guess. It's okay.
I'm looking at the Tagalog words.
Yeah. Just one reading, anak. Put it down.
Teo met Teacher Milagre. What's her real name?
Milagring. Teacher Milagring.
Milagrosa Florera Flores.
Oh.
Miss.
Florera Flores. Flores is like flower too.
Okay.
Florera is like... We'll check later in Spanish.
Okay.
Okay, so what else?
And Teacher Milagre was sad from her long trip, and seeing no flowers, just a chorus of Z. But she was happy when she saw Teo.
Oh, you understand a lot from what you read. Thank you, Brielle. So we're also learning a lot of Tagalog words from Tagalog Time with Tita Pat. With Ate Pat, sorry. Okay, so recently, the words you're learning are about the senses, different senses.
Senses and the other one. What's the other one?
Taste.
Ah, yeah, taste.
Okay, can you tell me the new words that you learned?
No, like we moved on to a new one because it's like a new week, you know.
Yeah, so last week we learned about the different tastes. This week we are talking about senses, okay? Okay, tell me the different tastes. How do you describe the different tastes in Filipino?
Matamis is sweet. Maalat is salty. Asin is salt, okay?
Tama! You remembered. Oh, ano pa?
What's sour again? I was gonna say maanghang. That's spicy, maanghang.
Tama.
Asin.
Maasim.
And matabang.
Matabang is?
No flavor. It's flavorless or needs more seasoning.
Correct. She did not teach about bitter. Mapait.
Ang palaya is bitter.
Oo, mapait ang
Mapait
bitter.
is
Okay.
bitter.
Okay. How about what words do you use for your senses? Like for example, if you wanna taste.
What sticks again? Lasa?
Lasa is lasa is the taste. But if it's an action word, like you wanna taste, you're gonna say
Tikman?
tikman. Okay?
Tikman?
Tikman.
It's a single word that means something.
Yeah, tikman is to
Taste.
Okay? Lasa
Tikman
is
ito.
lasa is to describe the taste. To taste is the action word. Okay? Or
Like,
tikman.
how do you say this? Matinis ang lasa ito.
Tama. Anong ibig sabihin ng tinikman ko ang pagkain?
Taste my food.
I tasted my food. Okay. How about if you wanna know the sound?
What is it?
What does listen in Filipino mean?
Makinig.
Makinig. Okay. How about to see?
To see. Makita.
Tama! What else? Wala pa tayong touch, no? Yun pa lang. Okay. How will you introduce yourself in Filipino?
Kumusta? Ang pangalan ko si Brielle. Si Brielle. Ang taon ako what's 9 in Tagalog? How do I say it properly?
Ako ay... What's 9 in Tagalog? Sa dalawa.
Okay. Siyam.
Siyam. Ako ay
siyam taon.
na taong gulang.
Na taon.
Gulang.
Na taon gulang.
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 NG ang dulo. Okay. Anong mga hilig mong gawin? Ano ang mga hilig mo, Brielle?
What does that mean?
Hilig or interests?
How do you say books again?
Sige, mag-Taglish ka, okay lang. Books or libro?
Libro. Ang libro at mga handicrafts.
Mahilig.
At gymnastics at taekwondo.
Mahilig akong magbasa ng libro at mag-handicrafts. Anong handicrafts ang hilig mo?
Like punch needle.
Ayun ang favorite mo ngayon. Ayun ang paborito mo ngayon.
Bakit sa gymnastics?
Tapos, gusto mo ng gymnastics at taekwondo. Gusto mong mag-gymnastics at taekwondo.
Waterfall Fat Saturday.
Ano ang paborito mong pagkain?
Sopas.
Ano ang paborito mong laro?
Hindi ko alam.
Laro, do you know what laro mean? Ano?
I mean, it means what do you like to play?
I
don't know.
Spot it.
Oh yeah. Memory cards.
Okay. Thank you, Brielle.
Bye.